How to optimize your LinkedIn profile in 2023. As the job market continues to evolve and the use of social media in the job search process increases, having a strong LinkedIn profile has become more important than ever. So, without further ado, here are 20 tips to help you optimize your LinkedIn profile in 2023. Use a professional profile picture. This is the first thing people will see when they come across your profile, so make sure it's a good representation of you. Write a compelling headline. This is the second thing people will see, so make sure it grabs their attention and gives them a sense of who you are and what you do. Use keywords in your summary and experience sections. This will help your profile show up in search results when people are looking for someone with your skills and experience. Include a call to action in your summary. Let people know what you're looking for, whether it's a job opportunity, a connection, or something else. Tailor your profile to your target audience. Think about who you want to reach and what they're looking for, and make sure your profile speaks to them. Showcase your accomplishments and results. Use specific examples and numbers to demonstrate the impact you've had in your previous roles. Use multimedia to enhance your profile. Add videos, images, and other types of media to make your profile more engaging and interesting. Get endorsements and recommendations. These can be a powerful way to build credibility and demonstrate your skills and experience. Keep your profile updated. Make sure your information is accurate and up-to-date, and add new experiences and accomplishments as you have them. Use the right privacy settings. Make sure your profile is visible to the people you want to see it, and that you're comfortable with the information that's being shared. Network with others in your industry. Make connections with people you know and people you want to know, and engage with them regularly. Join relevant groups. Find groups related to your industry or interests and participate in the conversations happening there. Share valuable content. Share articles, videos, and other types of content that will be of interest to your network. Use LinkedIn's publishing feature. Write articles and posts that showcase your expertise and thought leadership. Optimize your profile for search. Use the right keywords, make sure your profile is complete, and be active on the platform to increase your visibility in search results. Get a custom URL. Having a custom URL can make your profile more professional and easier to find. Take advantage of the volunteer and causes section. Share your volunteer work and causes you support to show your interests and social involvement. Use the skills and endorsements section effectively. Make sure you have the right skills listed and ask for endorsements from people you trust. Make connections with alumni and classmates. Connect with people you went to school or college with. They could be a valuable resource in your job search. Optimize your company page if you're a business owner or marketer. Having a strong company page can be a powerful way to build your brand and connect with customers. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other tips for optimizing your LinkedIn profile, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more career advice and tips on how to excel in your professional life.